Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to apply for university admission online using the University Grants Commission portal. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process from registering to filling out your application in 4 easy steps. First, let's start with the method of online application. To begin, visit the official UGC website at www.ugc.ac.lk. Here, you'll need to register as a new user. Make sure you have your National Identity Card, NIC, and a valid email account ready. Enter your NIC number and select your preferred language for the application, Sinhala, Tamil, or English. You'll also need to upload a scanned copy or a clear photograph of your NIC. After entering your details, you'll receive a verification link via email and an activation code on your mobile phone. Use these to complete your registration. Now, let's move on to filling out the online application, which involves 4 main steps. Remember to use the Save and Next button to save your data at each step. You can log out and return to your application later if needed. Once you are sure all information is accurate, submit your application. Step 1. Personal details of the applicant. Here you'll need to enter your permanent address. Remember to use block capital letters and separate each part of the address with commas. Next, provide your fixed telephone number and any additional contact details. You'll also need to fill in the names and contact information for your parents or guardians and indicate your race, religion, and citizenship status. Step 2. G.C.E. Ordinary level and G.C.E. Advanced level results. When you log in, you might see some sections related to your exam results automatically filled in. If the auto-filled data is correct, simply select Accept. If not, you'll have the option to re-enter the data. Remember, the data you enter will be verified with the Examination Department of Sri Lanka by the UGC. If you've taken the exams in multiple attempts other than those shown in Step 2, click the Add button to enter the results for each attempt. Step 3. School details of applicant. If you took the G.C.E. Advanced Level Examination as a school candidate, select School Candidate. Select the administrative district where your school is located. If your school is not listed under any district, contact the Government Information Centre at 1919. For private candidates, select Private Candidate and then choose the administrative district of your school. Enter the particulars of your school accurately. Step 4. Courses of study and universities. Carefully read Section 3.1 of the UGC Handbook before filling out your preferences for courses and universities. Select a course of study from the Courses drop-down list. You can only choose courses you're eligible for based on your G.C.E. Advanced Level subjects. Then, from the University drop-down list, select a university for your chosen course and click Add. Make sure not to enter the same course and university combination more than once. After selecting your preferred courses and universities, you can view them in your order of preference. Use the And buttons to change the order, or the X button to remove a selection. Pro tip: order your preference list in descending order to increase your chances of being selected for a higher Z-score course. And that's it! You've successfully applied for university admission online. For any further assistance, contact the Government Information Centre at 1919. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your university application.